15 different organizations come together to form Goodwill Mission for Peaceful Coexistence to bring back normalcy in the state. Titular King Laishem Basanajauba blames UNC for the incident at Kurai Haikrumakong yesterday, appeals the people of the state to maintain calm. Civil society organizations ask the government of Manipur to surrender the governance to the public if they are not able to govern. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangchum with the top stories and latest news till this hour of the day. 15 different organizations have come together to form Goodwill Mission for Peaceful Coexistence in order to bring back normalcy in the state. As the beginning of the mission, a public meeting will be held in Khairamban Bazaar on the 21st of this month. The meeting will be attended by representatives of all communities of the state and different stakeholders, including UNC. Goodwill Mission for Peaceful Coexistence was formed today after a meeting at Nagaram. Ningthaucha Lancha of Sirka has been elected the convener of the mission. Tangkhul People's Organization, Naga People's Organization, Zeliarong Union, 10 Union Social Upliftment, Kurai Herikon, Lipun, representatives of Imakaithel, Komrem Union, Icham, Sirka, Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization, Malem Kanbalup, Nagaram Women's Society and Kimex are part of the mission. Speaking to media persons, convener of the mission, Ningthauja Lancha, termed the incident of Kurai Haikrumakong yesterday as unfortunate and blamed the security personnel for the same. The meeting held today also took different resolutions.
Kamai taudana yam disorganized oina yam graba convoy do pusandrino masigi chapsaba paukhumama state government pihan janingi risk laura kanda kasunata bada bong kapsala kanda ani mak sahon ba hai tare ta sena khurai de koina wari sanaba matam da di chatkano haiba nate chatli be exodus sina lan ugidana chingda amuk tan thore e haina tamuraga di podam tholakani haida no matang ni dang phajana wari samina ga chatna ba haidana madugi meeting ama tawsena tawringai da thokibane ba iba mayam na phongdok pibada aikoina khwaidagi nuai jabadi aikoi lamse nungsidaba kanamta yaude Luri badi, aikoi masen se amana amagi opinion se ikai khumnaba haitaba amana amagi kanobu masak khangnadaba aduna loina mak migi misinformation mayam aikoi se lana loina mak chatla handana laibak thiba thodok je thokpa hawra ibani.
Titular King Laishem Basanajauba blamed the UNC's economic blockade for the incident that occurred at Kurai Haikrumakong yesterday, where more than 20 vehicles were set ablaze. He made the statement at the 99th Kuki Anglo War Memorial in Kuki Inn, which was organized by Kuki Inpi Manipur, Kuki Students Organization and Kuki Independence War Memorial Committee. Laishem Basanajauba further said the economic blockade has caused a lot of hardships to the public. He, however, appealed to not draw parallel lines with the Naga community of Manipur and UNC, rather take appropriate actions against UNC. The titular king also appealed to all communities of Manipur to stay calm and live together in peace and harmony.
Appeal taujani Manipur ki miyamda ngasi aikoi economic blockade tawsale UNC na angakpo pangnaware hojik tapak da suware singi manu hanjanba aikoi mafam sing da suware masi tawlibase kanano hai matam UNC na ni aikoi UNC da miyang thamsi UNC do naga gi du malup amani hai aikoi naga punama aikoi na lano ubas sumot aduna wahali badi UNC na wahali bani koisi ngara muktoiba kurai de thoiba thogdoksi aikoi wakal mun khandaba changi maduda thomna badi UNC na syllabus.
Taking part in the event, President of United Manipur Committee UCM Elangbam Johnson reiterated that the economic blockade on national highways has caused immense hardship to the people of Manipur. Hence, it is time all the communities rose together as one against UNC. He also appealed all sections of the community to come as one and think of a collective development rather than separation.
Furup jati kui mangnasu aikoi masida punna lemminnarakanda aikoi apun bagini kone thengnaribasi ngasidi economic blockade sina Kuki suwai Naga suwai aikoi tampakta leiribasidi hena interior jaga sin hena wai koi noi khang adu itaragadi aikoi ki political voices people's ki voices mayek sing na apha pun leitena jaga pun na mutegi thok thoi tampak ta khakta lauraga su ya banate ching na khunda biri be chil long sin su economic blockade na effect tori ba se koi khanbi ra kanda yam na madu koi madu gi mayok ta miyam go ba miyam pun na one minute hai voice to thok gi matam do ide yore na khalli.
In retaliation to burning of 2 passenger vehicles in Naga Tapo, Senapati, irate mob set to ablaze 2 vehicles at Nongtongban, Sekmai. Around 7 a.m. today, a bus named Cobra Express carrying about 70 passengers and a Tata Sumo were set to flames at Naga Tapo in Senapati by the supporters of economic blockade. Hearing the news, counter-blockade supporters came out in large numbers and set ablaze 2 boleros and destroyed other goods at Nongtongban in Sekmai. On the other hand, 4 vehicles were set ablaze in different locations of both the hill and valley. A passenger bus bearing that piles from Sekmai to Senapati bearing registration number MN011668 and a Tata Sumo bearing registration number MN05A5481 which belongs to Esel was set ablaze in between Tapokukikul and Mount Everest College in Senapati district. These incidents took place at about 11 o'clock today. Both these vehicles have been picked up by the Senapati police station. On the other hand, a Bolero and a Maruti Swift were set ablaze by miscreants at Saijang, Makalekai. Both the vehicles were set ablaze when they were coming from Wunghoren Kul in Imphal. Legislative wing leader of BJP Manipur Pradesh, Khumukcham Joykishan has appealed the UNC to suspend the economic blockade since people from both the hills and valley are facing immense hardships. He made this appeal at a press meet at BJP office in Nete Pachutek today. He also appealed the people to remain calm and said UNC has to be blamed for the hardships people of the state currently facing. Nowhere else in the world, people impose indefinite economic blockade until their demands are met. Joykishan will leave Imphal tomorrow for Delhi to discuss the ongoing issues with the leaders of the BJP.
Yamna sensitive oiraba timing sida lairiba rajniti dol mayamna amaga hunnaduna leibagi matam natte initiative akoi khudimak lawminaba matam oi haibase aina lairiba Rajniti Dol Kudimuktasu appeal Togzeri BJP Central Leaders in the Hena initiative Launaba, Samak ideally the Salaga Wakatani, Makwagi Topum Togaba Tamaba, Manipur Jagi, Swatari Yanaba Hijagani, Achowo Manipura, Pataba Todok Tolabadi, Madugi Daita Do, Matu UNC Naivase, Ayagna, Manipur Miam the Tamzeri.
Nagram Women's Society has appealed one and all to allow for a peaceful celebrations of Christmas and New Year. Speaking to media persons at Nagram Community Hall, President of the Society, LK Friend Home, expressed apprehensions about these upcoming festivities. She said they are not sure if these festivals will be celebrated peacefully in the backdrop of the current unrest in the state. People fear if there will be any hindrances to the preparations of these festivals. Friend Home appealed to all the people of the state to cooperate in the celebrations.
Christmas, New Year ko may pangthok padati. Aching bapti habsi Nagram Women's Society ki tarap tagi amso Manipur tampak talaiba Christian mayam ki ina mayam ki tarap tagi asidip.
A large number of passengers are stranded in Dimapur due to current unrest in Manipur and non-plying of vehicles on the national highways. Passengers waited at the bus counters in Dimapur from 7 in the morning. However, they were told that no buses have left Imphal and there is an unrest on the Imphal-Dimapur road and hence no buses will leave from Dimapur to Imphal. On the other hand, passengers have faced hardships due to the
Falco Dimapur Sapalambi, the MN Hava, the Rishing Maker driving Akido. I don't know some of the process of Dagi, a Fubrata driving Akiba, the
Tanta Wama Kangri Bawadi, Adam Suga Lakino, Gari Lakbaya Kiroi, Smana Kata High, to the Maram de Moju, Saptana Kangi, at the Puntreta, Pagi Swahida, same on the Kangi High, at the Puntreti Hendore. ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯗ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯆꯃꯝꯅꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ.
Various civil society organizations have asked the government of Manipur to surrender the governance to public if they are not able to govern the state. Addressing media at the Office of International Peace and Social Advancement, IPSA, in Kaishampa today, President of People's Action for National Democratic Movement, Pandam Yumnam Cha Dilip Kumar said the central leaders are frequenting Manipur for election campaign rather than solving the current crisis. He further said BJP leaders are being boycotted from visiting Manipur anymore. President of Kanglei Apunba Mairalup Kanglamai, while Lairik Laima demanded the state government to surrender. UNC should be declared an outlaw organization and banned immediately. She also demanded the timid security forces and double standard ministers to resign. Leaders of International Peace and Social Advancement, IPSA, People's Action for National Democratic Movement, Pandam, Kanglei Apunba Mairalup Kanglei Imalup Kil, Kanglei Park Students Organization, KSA, Tanura Lamchinglen, Kanglei Park CLK and all club organization association and Mairalup Akomlup who took part in the press meet demanded the ouster of any organization that speaks on disintegration of Manipur.
Rajnitigi numi khudingi amaga hunaba amaga ngangnaba magi bot kanaba lamdam sida asuki matik kangluk nung makang na irang thu akanda rajnitigi bot khomdok pa polan basat pa makhan gi aikhoi gi tawgadabani haidana polling khudingi miyangi thabaksin na thainaraga satpase khutak telepi
lairiba hududigi current issue se loisannaba honabagi mahota makhoi ba political opportunity launanabagi damakta lakpa leader sing asiri central leader sing se khoi boycott tawgani aduga hairiba issue si loisanab honabi mahota masa gi oiba vote common lakwi go eraga di central leader sing khoi boycott tawe.
All Manipur Christian Art and Culture Observation Council has appealed to suspend economic blockade and counter-blockade immediately. In a press note, the council also strongly condemned the Tengnopal incident and shared the sorrows of the aggrieved family. Curfew has been announced in Imphal West District. In a press release, Imphal West District Magistrate has announced a curfew in all areas of Imphal West from 6:30 p.m. today till 9:30 a.m. tomorrow under CRPC Section 144. VSM GOC Major General of Red Shield Division S.S. Mishra said the security forces will do all it can to bring back normalcy in Manipur. He made this statement in response to the query on the role of Assam Rifles in the recent twin ambush on Imphal More Road after the inaugural of Sainik School, Horse Riding and Polo Club. Rudra Mishra, wife of General Mishra, inaugurated the horse riding arena, while President of Manipur Horse Riding and Polo Association, Buddha Chandra Singh, cut the ribbon. A team led by General Mishra also planted saplings in and around the arena. Young players of Manipur Horse Riding and Polo Association provided salutations and displayed a game of tent pegging at the event. Speaking on the occasion, General Mishra stated that the arena and the club has been opened by the Red Shield Division to encourage the youth to learn about polo from a young age.
Manipur situation, you all are aware, things will improve, God willing. Security forces are at it, so you don't have to worry on that account. All security forces are all doing their duties sincerely, and we will ensure that the peace prevails in Manipur, and people are helping us to ensure that peace prevails. Everybody, all, not only army, Assam Rifle, police, they were all working together to bring in peace.
People of Sagolban Bijoy Govinda has launched counter-economic blockade from today. Many vehicles travelling to Hill District were checked and their goods are destroyed. Women came out in large numbers and imposed counter-blockade in Porompat near TV Tower. They check all vehicles, however, there are no reports of any damages to the goods. Time for a short commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News.
Northeast India Development Party Manipur Punna Kundaminari Yalhomi Singi Hamchat Naraba Thawai Miril Singi Arama Korang Pumbu Buko Hanabagi Choba Todang Lozanabagi Damak Iram the Manipur Lady Yalhomi Singi Thawai Miril Singtana Semjaba Party ni Maramasane Sagi Mamayam Lava vote Adu NIDP Gim Hut Sing the Pinabiduna Iram the Masiki Tungi Philip San Lepcha Nabagi Damakta Chabatan the Lobiu Masina Kogi Puari ne Kopuna Kut Samna Dunaning Sing but Tok Tramatam the Laklaba Ekogi Puari Wiliklam Tataba Puari Masem Lasi. Admission open. Royal Academy Wangjing ki pre-nursery digi class 10 fawgi admission hauzare. Khudong chaba singdi pre-nursery gi oina admission lem na tauzagani. First rank taba singi free tuition fee. HSLC exam da Wangjing Center gi oina first taba da lupali sing taragi manapi zagani. Salient features singdi dedicated pre-nursery class, compulsory computer education, internet ki khudong chaba na chingbani. Ngasimak laktuna ming chanbiu. Akupa marol gidamak Royal Academy Wangjing da contact tobiu.
Beneath 100 meters from the Earth's surface, naturally filtered through saline stones, pure, clean and healthy water.
Eki agency atopa hospital da aruba fibam 7 days laying ki adubu magat lakta balak sky hospital da purak duna 50-50 chance da laying ba barakhi egi agency anoba mapo ama pukpaga sak manare Dr. Sam Kishol hainingai leitana thagat sari.
Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Primetime English News. Manipur University has been accredited by National Assessment and Accreditation Council NAAC as Grade A. In a press release, PRO in charge of MU said Professor A.P. Pandey, Vice Chancellor Manipur University, congratulated all the communities of university, including teaching, non-teaching students and research scholars for their hard work and efforts to secure the Grade A in the national assessment. He also thanked all academic deans and various schools, the director IQAC, and especially Professor M. Dhaneshwar Singh, who was the Vice Chancellor, in charge during the visit of an AAC team, as well as their keen interest to bring up such high status of the university. A JAC has been formed by the Maira Paibis of Maitram, Kondokpokpi, Laidincham and Laidincham Sabal under Nauria Pakhang Lakpa constituency. Oinam Kabita, Yumnam Memcha, Kebina and Samom Kunjalaima will be the conveners of the JAC. A meeting of the JAC was held today at the residence of the aspiring BJP candidate from Nauria Pakhang Lakpa in the upcoming assembly elections, Dr. Soraise Manauton in Mekola. The meeting resolved to support Dr. Soraise Manauton in the upcoming assembly elections. People of Andhra have appealed the JAC formed against the brutal killing of Ningthaucham Ibemu to suspend the indefinite ban imposed on Imphal Yairipok Road. A meeting was held today at the office of All Andhra Youth Club Association, which was attended by All Andhra Youth Club Association, All Andhra Maira Paibi Association, Eastern Scheduled Caste Student Union, members of Andhra Nagar Panchayat and the village hetman of Andhra. Speaking on the occasion, chairperson of Andhra Nagar Panchayat, Leshungbam Sukhoi, said that the brutal killing of Ibemu was carried out by few individuals and the people of Andhra were not aware of the incident. It is unfortunate that inconveniences are being caused by imposing band. He said the people of Andhra has been helping in finding the culprits and will continue to do so until they are found. People of Andhra will never shelter the killers. Leshungbam Sukhoi also appealed all CSOs of Manipur to intervene in the case.
Siga ko yusik leriba andro gi kunja singsiga kai kumam ta mai lena de maram de kai geno da hariba thokto si ko gi numai jingi ko gi chon ta bi hariba ko gi lamlai police station gi manung da leiba jaga sida thokpani se thoraga andro da pudharaga moina numidang waram da andro da gi hariba ko wemu si hosan da pubada lambi da leihi de na hai madu kana gum andro gi si ko gi leru kunja singsiga kai kumam ta mai lena banate ko hariba mi hat pasida chena khudimak अखोई तगा लेबदु अखोइना हारिबसि अखोइना पुथोकपदा अखोई खुनगी ओइना दे अखोइ मतेंग पांगजगनी हारिबसिदा कनागुम्बा एनी मणिपुरगी लेबा संस्थान सिंग अखोइगी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सिविल सोसाइटी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सिंग मयामसिना हारिबा ngasi थोइबा थोकथोकसिगी असुमरान थोकपदा सुमतेंग पांगबियु.
Now to sports news. Nambol Kendra Kankhod has entered the finals of League Cum knockout tournament for age group 50 and 60 Singjumai Kang tournament. In the second semi-final match played today at Singjumai Kangsang in Namairakpa Mandop Cum Community Hall, Chingamathak, Nambol Kendra Kankhod beat Singjumai Kendra Kankhod Team B 11-7. Nambol Kendra Kankhod will meet Kundrakpam Kendra Kankhod in the finals. IATA Super Series Tennis Tournament kicked off today at Officers Club, Lamphel and Deco Turfs of Imphal District Tennis Association. In today's matches, Haubam Roshan and Haishnam Sankar of Manipur entered the second round of Under-12 boys category. And in Under-14 boys category, Rahul Pamay as Gaurav and W. Padmeshwar of Manipur entered the second round. The tournament is being organized by the Manipur Tennis Association under the aegis of All India Tennis Association Assam, West Bengal, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Gujarat, Tripura, New Delhi and host Manipur are taking part in the tournament. 46 boys and 35 girls, a total of 81 players from Manipur are competing in the tournament. Remaining matches of the tournament will be played tomorrow. Manipur has won 25 medals including 21 gold, 3 silver, 1 bronze in the Federation Club National Jeet Kundod Championship 2016 held in Talkotara Stadium, New Delhi. State-level football development program under 10 to 12 and under 13 to 14 will be organized by the Veteran Football Association Thangmaiban at Kumalampak Artificial Turf Ground. The tournament will start from January 5th till 28th. Interested players can collect the forms from Thau Thangmaiban office, DYASO office Kumalampak and Siro Stationery Kwakathal and will be available till the 22nd of this month. Also, players can submit the forms along with their biodata in the Veteran Soccer Association Thangmaiban Thau Ground. Due to the current unrest in the state, the first semi-final match of the 60th Sir Churachan Singh KCSI CB Memorial Football Tournament has been postponed. In a press release, All Manipur Football Association said the first semi-final match between SSU Singjumai and Assam Regimental Centre Shillong will be played at 2 p.m. in Imphal, Mapal, Kangchibung tomorrow. Before we end the bulletin, a quick look at the headlines once again. 15 different organizations come together to form Goodwill Mission for peaceful coexistence to bring back normalcy in the state. Titular King Laishim Basanajawa blames UNC for the incident at Kurai Haikrumakong yesterday, appeals the people of the state to maintain calm. Civil society organization asks the government of Manipur to surrender the governance to public if they are not able to govern.